Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your GPS on the Dasher app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your GPS on the Dasher app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Dasher app. Next, click on the sandwich icon in the top left-hand corner. Next, click on Accounts, then click on App Settings, then scroll down, and then towards the bottom, you're going to find your navigation service. So you can either use DoorDash's in-app navigation, Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your GPS on the Dasher app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.